Good morning, students. So, in exercise 7.1, already we discussed about the cylinder and the cone type of sums, right? So, already you know the formula for cylinder. Curved surface area of a cylinder is what? 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH square unit, that is centimeter square. TSC of a cylinder is 2 pi r h plus r, right? So how we are getting this 2 pi h plus r? CSA plus area of a circle. CSA is what? CSA of a cylinder is what? 2 pi RH, area of a circle pi r square. So total surface area means this is one area of a circle, here one area of a circle, so here one pi r square, here one pi r square, so 2 times we are having, so 2 pi r square. CSA means h, here 2 pi RH, radius and h we are having. CSA means the curved surface area, so 2 pi r is the formula. Total surface area means top and the bottom of the cylinder and then CSA of the cylinder. So totally we have to take the formula. So 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. From this 2 I take 2 as common, pi as common, r as common, remaining h plus r. So for that reason we straightly return 2 pi r h plus r. Why I am taking now this means we have to memorize the formula. For that reason I am taking, right? So how we have to recall the formula? So this formula CSA cylinder you means using this you will recall the TSA of a cylinder. How? CSA cylinder is 2 pi RH. So TSA means CSA plus area of a circle. Like that we have to recall means it will help to write the formula, right? So the formula is 2 pi r h plus r. This is TSA of a cylinder, centimeter square or square units. Then volume of the cylinder. Volume of cylinder is what? Pi r square h centimeter cube. Volume means cube. So volume means we are having one drum or we are having one any drum like cylinder like we are having means inside how many quantity it will capacity we are having. So inside water or any solid materials, inside what is the capacity for the cylinder, that is called volume. So volume is pi r square h, because here area is what? This is area of a circle. Area of circle means pi r square and then h, right? So one cylinder we are having like this means the area is pi r square, again like this we fill up means height will be increased. So here we are using pi r square h, area of the cylinder and height, it will be increasing. So pi r square h. So this is the formulas for CSA of a cylinder, TSA of a cylinder, volume of the cylinder. This explanation no need, we have to memorize the formula. CSA of cylinder means 2 pi r h, TSA means 2 pi r h plus r, and then volume means pi r square h, right? And then we are having the hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder means this is hollow cylinder. So we are having one cylinder, inside one cylinder we have like the flask. So this is gap area, these are the gaps. In outer region like this only, but inside we are having one cylinder, small cylinder we are having like the conical, like the flask, right? So this area only will be filled by the liquid or solid items, that's all. Clear? So here we are having here to here small r, this center place to last here, the outer region. This is outer region, inner region. This is what? Inner region. This is outer region. So for outer region or inner region, both are height will be same h only, no problem. But inner region we are having one r, that is small r. For outer region here to here we are written capital R. So for hollow cylinder or hollow sphere, hollow means we are having the two radius. One is capital R, one is small r, right? So capital R is radius, small r also is radius, that is inner radius. This is outer radius, right? So hollow cylinder CSA. CSA equal to hollow cylinder means CS cylinder is 2 pi RH, right? Here CSA hollow cylinder means here R we are having, means here how many R we are having? Capital R and small r we are having. So R plus R into H centimeter square. So TSA of a hollow cylinder means the same thing, 2 pi R. That is for this R we need to write R plus R. Here R minus R plus H. Here I am taking how to recall the formula. You know the cylinder means hollow cylinder also. Using this we can recall the hollow cylinder also. So TSA means here smaller only we are having, because in the cylinder only one R, hollow cylinder 2 R we are having. One is capital R, one is small r. Capital R is for outer region, small r is for inner region. So for this R plus R, here H plus R means R minus R plus H, because inner region quantity is capital R minus small r, we are getting the volume, right? So centimeter square, and then volume of the hollow cylinder, volume is here what? Pi R square H. So I written here pi, here R square, capital R square minus R square into H centimeter square. These are the formulas for cylinder and hollow cylinder. Cylinder and hollow cylinder. So cylinder means 2 pi RH. Hollow cylinder means we have to slightly change for R equal to capital R small r. We arrange means we are getting formula, right? So listen. So next heading is cone. CSA of a cone pi r L centimeter square. Already you know very well. So why we are saying here pi r L? So this is R, this is L. For cone CSA means outer region, this only outer region, right? For imagine the birthday cap, covering area only we are having for the cap. So covering area we are having the slant height only, that is L, and then R. So pi r L is the formula. Suppose they didn't give the L, only H only they are given, means this is a right triangle shape. So by using the Pythagoras theorem, we need the formula L equal to root of H square plus R square. Using the formula we can find the L. For that purpose we have written here. Clear? So this is also important formula. And then TSA of a cone. TSA of a cone is pi r into L plus R. How we are getting this formula? Pi r L, CSA plus area of a circle. So pi r square. By using this concept only, here we take 1 pi r as common, means we are getting like this pi r into L plus R. For cylinder means we are having the one top and bottom. For cone means we are having only what? Only one area of a circle only we are having. So pi r L is CSA, area of a circle one we are having. So pi r L plus pi r square. And then we take common, means we are getting pi r into L plus R centimeter square. Then volume 1 by 3 pi r square H. 1 by 3 pi r square H. Volume of a cylinder formula is what? Volume of cylinder pi r square H. Here 1 by 3 pi r square H, that's all. So volume of cylinder you know means for cone also same thing. And then pi r L. So why you are getting 1 by 3 pi r square H means, listen, cylinder, we are having one cylinder. this is center radius, this radius to like this I draw means this area we are getting one cone, this area one cone we are getting, here one cone we are getting, 3 cones we are getting from the cylinder. So that is we are saying what, 1 by 3 pi r square h. For that reason only they are saying 1 by 3 pi r square h, right? And then frustum. Frustum is nothing, cut the part like the bucket. In home we are having some buckets, so we cut the part means we are getting like this the shape we are having. The sharpened part I cut means we are having like this shape. So this structure is called, we are called frustum of the cone, right? So here we are having one type of that is smaller I mentioned. Here we are having long capital R, and then always height this R. So frustum of a cone, CSA frustum cone means pi R plus R into L. Listen here, CSA of a cone pi R L. Frustum means we are having one small r, one capital R. So this r equal to, we are replace capital R and small r. So here also by using this formula we can derive the frustum cone also, right? And then TSA of a frustum cone, TSA. So TSA we are getting pi r L plus pi r square. Pi r L means the CSA of a cone, pi r square means in bottom we are having one area based circle. So here r equal to, I replace r plus r, here r equal to, I replace r square. No. Here pi r square means this one area of a circle. Because I only for the reason we are using what, capital R. So capital pi r square. Here top we are using small r, small pi r square. This is CSA of a cone. So TSA frustum cone means like this. We need to memorize the formula. And then volume same thing. Volume of a cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. Frustum also same thing, 1 by 3. For r replace capital R smaller we are having, so r square plus r square plus r square, right? Like this we have to write the formula, right? So 1 by 3 pi h r square plus r square plus r into r, small r capital R. So this is the formulas for cone. We complete the cylinder and cone formulas, right? In 7.1 already we take the sums by the problem cone and cylinder, right? So next heading is sphere. So now we are dealing with the sphere. CSA of a sphere 4 pi r square, because the sphere is like the ball, cricket ball, or one circular shape. The type of structures are called, we are called sphere. So here only one thing we are having, a radius r only we are having. So 4 pi r square, right? And then TSA is that also 4 pi r square, because sphere means only the outer region of the circle only. So there is no TSA or CSA, only CSA or TSA both are same only here. 4 pi r square. Volume 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Hollow sphere. CSA of hollow sphere is 4 pi r square. CSA. Because hollow means one circle we are having, means inside one sphere we are having. For example, water lemon we are having means outer area will be the green color, inside we are having the fleshy area we are having. So that the fleshy area is called one small r, outer region is called R. So we take the fleshy area. We take the fleshy area outside means that is called hollow hemisphere. So one small r, one capital r we are having. CSI is 4 pi r square, but hollow sphere, CSI hollow sphere means outer area only. Outer area we mentioned capital R, so 4 pi capital R square. TSA, total surface area means 4 pi 1 small r square and capital R square we are having, so r square plus r square. Volume is 4 by 3 pi. Here r cube only we are having, the same thing. Same thing, small r, capital R. Capital R minus small r means that is called hollow sphere. So volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi. Here r cube is, here replace capital R cube minus small r cube, because 2 r we are having, one is capital R, one is small r. So r cube minus r cube. So formula, sphere is 4 pi r square. This is 4 pi r square. Right? Hollow sphere is the same thing. Here small r, here capital R. That's all. TSA means small one, capital 1. So r square plus r, like this we need to write the formula. Right? Listen, hemisphere. Hemisphere is this is hemisphere. Sphere we cut half means that is called hemisphere. In sphere we cut the half region is called hemisphere. Right? This is hemisphere. Here also this is R. This also R. Right? So CSA of the hemisphere 2 pi r square. CSA of sphere is 4 pi r square. So fully we take means 4 pi r square. Half only we are taking means hemi means half. So 2 pi r square. So 2 pi r square. No need to memorize the hemisphere. From the sphere we are taking hemisphere. And the TSA 3 pi r square. Why you are 3 pi r square means half of the region is 2 pi r square, but TSA is what? Top and bottom. Here top also we are having. This is what? Area of a circle. So here 1 pi r square. For hemisphere is pi r square. So totally 3 pi r square. Volume. Volume is hemisphere only. Volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Hemisphere half only, so 2 by 3 pi r cube. Right? So hollow hemisphere means the same thing. Hollow means we are having capital R and small r we are having. Hollow means here also we are having one capital R. This is one small r. One is capital R. Like this we are having means that is hollow hemisphere. So here r square only, r square plus r square. Here r square only, r square, 3r square plus r square. Like this we need to prepare the formula. So part by part I written the formulas. So like this we are preparing means we can memorize the formula easily. Clear? So I written first cylinder and hollow cylinder, and then cone, frustum of the cone, and then sphere, hollow sphere, and then hemisphere, hollow hemisphere. So for each country we are having CSA, TSA volume. Like this you mention the formula and then prepare means you can easily memorize the formula. Right? So without formula mention we can't be able to do the sum, find the answer. Clear? Thank you.